Hi guys, and welcome to another video of cute animals. Did you like our video? Keep watching for more funny animals and don't forget to subscribe.
All right, buddy, Mama's gotta go run some errands. I'll be back tonight. No parties, and definitely no girls. All right, I'll see you later.
What in the world is going on?
But I thought I saw something. Well, here's a treat.
You are very good boy.
Hey, I have to tell you something. Look, you're adopted.
Maybe rats, but at least I can dress them cute. His head was too big for this sweater.
Do you know what to speak? Speak! If you're floofy and you know what to speak. If you're floofy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're floofy and you know what to speak. Oh, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? No, I don't be owl. Hello, how are you today?
Going on TikTok, let me show you how to train your dog to play dead. It's one of the most crowd-pleasing tricks there are. So, your dog will need to know how to lie down. You can see my other videos on TikTok or YouTube to learn how to do that. So once your dog is in a down like this, you'll want to focus on luring them just like this on their side. We don't want to lure them all the way over like that because that would be a rollover. We're trying to train to play dead. So the lure is very important here. Yes. Good. See how I'm letting him nibble on that treat the whole way? Wait. So once your dog has gotten really good at following the lure and they're holding that position to play dead, then you'll want to start fixing out the lure instead of play dead. Oh gosh, how do I get her to come back to life? Come alive! Like and follow to learn more about training your dog.
Things that trigger my dog, part 1. Lizard! There's a lizard! There's a lizard! Mama's home. Mama's home?
Leave him alone. Put him on my right side. Good girl. Alright, just stay there. Hachi, don't move. So I want you to go to my left side, okay? And then after you go to my left side, I want you to take 4 steps forward and then sit. Good job, good job. I want you to get up and do a left shuffle with your tongue sticking out. Good job. Now do a right shuffle. And when you do a right shuffle, go get one of your toys. Yeah, one of those. And when you pick it up, I want you to shake it like you're shaking your fans. There you go. Great job. Okay, so the human husky. You ready to play a game, girl? I'm gonna show your fans what you can do. I'm gonna give you this bone right here. Now listen. See that bone? Yeah. I'm gonna point at you, then point at the bone, then point at you, then point at the bone. Get up, and I want you to walk up to it and step on the left side of it and sniff the right side. Good girl. Sniff the left side of it. Now take 2 steps forward. Stretch. And I want you to lay. There you go. Now I want you to look at your toys, and I want you to put your nose to the ground. But keep your eyes on the toys, okay? There you go. Now I want you to look at me with a dramatic face. Good job.
Did you eat all of the English muffins? Are you sorry? Do you think it's funny?
You wanna have a little brother? Should we get you a little brother, huh? Come on, let's go ask Mom. Come on, come on, let's go ask Mom. Come on. How many legs for another Great Dane?
This is a furry potato, also called a squeaky loaf, and sometimes called a whistle tater. Furry potatoes are completely adorable, with their sniffy whifflers, snack seekers, floppy listeners, teeny tippy tappies, and little potato booties. This one's got a big old potato boot.
Roby, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend, Boo?
Keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do we do? We swim, swim. Dory, singing. Dory.
I have very important questions to ask each of you. Would you like a treat? Would you like a treat?
Alright, catch. We're gonna play Snap Soul. So bring the toy over here and just follow me. Hachi, you too. Okay, now turn around. Okay, and I'm going to snap and I want you to hit Hachi with the toy. But don't be too hard. Okay. Ooh, sorry, Hachi. Okay, so put that toy down. Shouldn't have hit him. Alright, I'm gonna snap and pick it up. Okay. Just sorry, Hachi, I love you. Okay, so I'm gonna snap and I want you to put that toy next to my left foot. Good job, sweetie. Now I'm gonna snap twice and I want you to pick it up. Don't let me have it. Don't let me have it. Alright, so we'll do a little twirl and then I'm gonna snap and I want you to put it down. Good job, good job. So good job, Hachi. Come here. Come here, baby.
So many people waiting for the packages.
Yes, they are. Is your daddy the meanest man on earth? Is he mean? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? What are you doing? Oh my God, Louis!
I no longer wish to adult. From now on, I shall remain a cozy burrito. If you need me, I will be in my fluff tortilla.
How did this happen? Hmm? What do you have to say for yourself?
I have yet to see my dearest human poop anywhere. I suspect he may not know how. I have resolved to try and teach him when we patrol the neighborhood each day in search of men with hats and beards. It is embarrassing to do in public, but he must learn somehow.
Go bye-bye in the car. Come on, Clyde.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
Bye.
Let's go. You don't want to leave?
You want to stay here?
All right, bye.
Bye. We love you.
Later.
Be a good boy. He doesn't want to leave.
You want to go in the car? He wants to bring his blanket in the car? Yeah?
Bite me! No. 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 Kisses. Thank you.
This is a Cane Corso, the most powerful dog on the face of the earth. Very, 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 very strong. She will tear your arm off for a piece of wood. Almost got me.
You're not allowed to have that. You don't know us from a hole in the wall. You're just walking around eating people's bones.
Honey, you gotta let go.
Don't let go. I won't let go.
This is a Doberman. They are not mean, they're absolutely adorable, and they're the nicest things around. They would never hurt you. But these, on the other hand, are the worst things ever created.
Like, what are you doing? Sophie, what did you do to Kirby? I'm such a fucked up Barbie doll. No, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna tell you the day my dog almost killed me. This is a true story because I've things in my notes to show you. So I was riding my bike because it was Friday afternoon, whatever. I was driving my bike on here, and I was coming down my driveway. I was coming down that driveway right here, you know, the driveway. My bike does not brake. I'm gonna show you. There's bike here. Here are the back brakes. Bike's still moving perfectly fine, you know. You need brakes. Get brakes. And I was coming down here fast, right? Quick stop. I looked up and my dog ran across the yard. My dog was tied to a rope thing, to a rope, to a leash. So this is real, probably like 40 feet long, right? And it was extended. My heart dropped
everyone, thank you for watching. Please press the subscribe button below for following and for more cute videos.